The Seven Broken Seals, a tale of laws destroying nations. In a distant land, long forgotten by time, there existed a mystical parchment known as the Covenant of Seven Seals. This ancient artifact held the laws that governed the harmony of the world: family, community, institution, business, religion, nation, and international unity. The covenant, a gift from the divine, was entrusted to humanity to uphold. But over centuries, greed, neglect, and pride led to the seals being broken, one by one. The first seal, family laws. When the seal of family laws shattered, the bonds of love and understanding within homes began to decay. Marriages crumbled into bitterness, children wandered astray without guidance, and generations grew up without the foundation of love or respect. A fractured home, echoed the divine, breeds a fractured world. The second seal, community laws. Next, the community seal broke. Streets turned chaotic as antisocial behaviors and crime ran rampant. Prisons overflowed, and once thriving neighborhoods descended into lawlessness. The laughter of shared humanity was replaced by the deafening silence of fear. The third seal, institutional laws. The seal of institutional laws, once a shield against corruption, fell apart. Schools, hospitals, and courts became corrupt havens of unethical practices. Leaders no longer served but exploited, leading to despair and dysfunction in every system meant to protect the people. The fourth seal, business and corporate laws. The business seal soon followed. Profiteering became the norm, with little regard for health or fairness. Factories polluted the earth, dangerous products harmed lives, and wealth concentrated into the hands of a selfish few. Prosperity turned poisonous. The fifth seal, religious laws. The seal of religious laws shattered like a fragile mirror, scattering shards of faith. Divisions and wars over doctrines erupted, and trust in spiritual leaders dwindled. Without moral anchors, humanity drifted in a sea of disbelief and despair. The sixth seal, national laws. When national laws fell, nations became battlegrounds of corruption and injustice. Political divides deepened into civil wars, and violence swallowed any semblance of public trust. The unity of people under one flag became a distant memory. The seventh seal, international laws. Finally, the seal of international laws cracked. Human trafficking and drug smuggling flourished. Conflicts between nations escalated without mediation, and global organizations meant to preserve peace disintegrated into impotence. The world stood on the brink of collapse. The revelation and redemption. As the world teetered on the edge of ruin, a humble prophet named Eli arose. He gathered the people at the ruins of the covenant and spoke words that burned with truth. We have broken the laws entrusted to us, thinking ourselves above them. But laws are not chains. They are lifelines, connecting us to each other and the divine. Without them, chaos reigns. Eli urged families to rebuild their bonds with love and discipline. Communities rose to uphold common laws, creating spaces of safety and care. Institutions reformed with transparency and ethical practices. Businesses prioritized health and fairness over profit. Faith returned to religions, guiding people with hope. Nations restored justice, and international cooperation reignited global harmony. The moral lesson. The seals were not just rules, they were pillars of life. To neglect them is to invite ruin, but to uphold them is to secure a future of peace and prosperity. Remember, Eli declared, laws are not burdens, they are bridges. They connect us to love, justice, and unity. Break them and you fall. Honor them and you rise. And thus, the world began anew, stronger for its lessons, bound by the unbroken covenant of the seven seals.